How to change language in Strava app. Hello everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can change the language in your Strava app. So if you want to change the language in your Strava app, first of all you have to launch the Strava app on your device. Once you have launched the Strava app, you have to access the setting. You have to tap on the profile icon or U icon which is on the bottom right corner of the screen. Just tap on that. And after that you have to go and select the setting or gear icon which is on the top right corner of the screen. Once you are here, you have to scroll down and look for the language change or choose language option here. So here you can see that there is no any option of change language in your Strava app. So you can't choose any desired language from the list on your Strava app. So if you want to change the language on your Strava app, you have to go back, and once you are here, you have to click on the setting and you have to go for the source setting and go for the language here. Once you are on your device language here, you can see your preferred language and you can simply go and change your language here. So here you can choose your desired language from the list of the languages here. So that's it. The Strava apps will now display in your selected language. This is the simple step how you can change the language in your Strava app. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.